How to be selfish. On this video, I want you to unlearn the thing that you have learned. When you are a child, they do tell you to be content on what you have. You don't have to be selfish. You don't have to be greedy. Share what you have. With that, you are receiving anything that come your way. And all those things, those habits that you are doing, it's affecting you. It's affecting your finance. It's affecting your happiness. It's affecting your demands. It's affecting on the way you take things, on the way you reason things. Our parents, they do tell us, don't be selfish. You have to be content with what you have. You don't have to be greedy. You have to share what you have. My friend, because of those habits that we have been learning, we have been doing it till we are now an adult. That is why you see that majority people, they accept anything that come their way. Any circumstances, they come their way. They accept it. You know why? Because they have trained themselves to accept everything that they want, because they don't want to be selfish. So my friend, if you want to be successful, if you want to be rich in your life, if you want the good things in this world, learn how to be selfish. Conserve the things that you want. Observe the things that you want to go for. Anything that you want to demand, because you are the captain of your life. Anything you want, you demand for it and go after it. We have been in this habit of accepting anything that come our way. And those things that we are accepting, those things, anything that come your way, you accept it. You say, at least half bread is better than none. Your life is just going on that way. Half bread is better than none. But my friend, wake up. Be selfish. Be conservative on what you want. Accumulate what you want. See, this life, you are a part of this life. You are part of this world. This world too belongs to you, and everything on it belongs to you too. So if you are not selfish, you accept any circumstances that come your way. That is how you are going to live your life. But if you become selfish, I like using these words, be selfish, because when you are selfish, you know what you want, you go for it. You block every other thing that's going to distract you from what you want. The parents that do tell us not to be selfish is because they don't have much. And moreover, they don't know much. That is what they know. That is what they tell you. You being an adult today, with the digital world we are living now you understand that whatever you want, you have to go for it. Conserve yourself. Conserve the things that you have to lead you on the goal that you want. See, everything, anyhow, your life is today. It's all your decision. It's all the circumstances that you have accepted. It's all the thinking that you have in your mind. It's all the things, the focus that you have. It's all you. And if you want to live a better life tomorrow, it all depends on you too. Be selfish. Conserve on the things you want. If you have 100 euro now, and you are in a position that if you make a business or if you make an investment, that you're gonna have more money, you're gonna earn 1,000 from that 100 euro that you have in your hand, and somebody is telling you, oh, borrow me 50 euro, or borrow me 20 euro, or give me 10 euro. My dear, be selfish. Invest on what you want. Go into it and earn that thing you want. See, this life is anything you want that is going to come your way. Anything you demand is what you will have. Anything you pray for is what you will have. Anything that you accept to is what you will have. So my friend, be selfish. Demand good things. Demand the good things in this life. Conserve your thinking, your focus to achieve anything that you want. The riches, the good things in this life, they are all available for everybody. Everything that it take, anything that it take, is for you to focus on it. Focus on what you want to get. Focus the kind of life you want to live. Focus on the things you want to be, and you move forward to it. Don't allow anybody to tell you that you are being selfish, you are being greedy, or you have to think about other people. First of all, you have to arrange your own life before you think about any other person. If you don't arrange your own life, how will you help somebody else to arrange his own life? Like the video I did the other day, I said that your life is not only for you, it's for you, for God, and for other people too. So you be selfish. Conserve the things you want. Go after what you want and achieve it. That way you can help other people too. So my friend, if you get anything from this video, subscribe, turn on your bell, like and comment. Check out other my videos. Thanks for watching.